Okay, so we are on day 3 of no power. So basically, the first day that the power went out, it was the day of the storm. We had 0 power. It was insanity. Oh my god, look how much whiter my face is than my neck because I'm tan on my body. So yeah, now I have some projects to do around the house while I have daylight. So I'm gonna work on those now. Gotta finish up some pieces in Sophia's classroom. We'll take you along the journey. Okay, so we're walking into the basement. It's gonna get kind of dark in here, but I'm gonna show you guys a really cool light that I have that I bought years ago for my filming studio, and it's rechargeable. Let me turn it on. So I'm standing in Sophia's classroom. This is my light. It pretty much lights up the entire room that you're in. It's got 95% battery. I didn't use it yesterday because I wasn't home. I use it very sparingly. I'm just gonna use it really quickly to hang up some posters in Sophia's room right over here. Hopefully they fit. And right over here on this side of the TV. And then I have a few more posters that are supposed to be coming in a week or so that has like the president's faces on it and some Black history figures just for her to learn about that as well. And we'll be hanging those up too. And then I think I'm almost going to be done with her playroom. So I put the last poster there because only 7 of them fit over here. We gotta tuck in that wire because it's driving me crazy, but this is what it looks like. What do you do when you're excited? So we are going to Target to kill some time because they said our power should be restored tonight. And I'm not about to wait around in a hot house. So we need some things from Target, so we figured we'd get it done now. My sister just called me and said that she got power back, so we're going to her house. I'm just gonna go home, grab my bag of clothes so we have clothes to sleep in just in case our power doesn't come back on tonight. I plugged in every one of my electronics to make sure they're charged just in case the power goes out again. See that? Sophie, how does it taste? It tastes so good. We're gonna get you a gift now. Come on, just swallow it quickly. Chew and swallow. How's it taste? Okay, it's almost done. It's almost done. So we are getting ready to go to IKEA and possibly Home Goods. Haven't been to IKEA and I want to say since like November, so like 8 months, 9 months, shit, yeah, over 9 months I haven't been to IKEA, and I used to go weekly. So I need some stuff for Sophia's classroom and home goods, because I mean, why not? And I'm just tired. I went to sleep at 6 a.m. and I woke up at 11, so I'm tired, very tired. We were gonna go to IKEA and Home Goods. Home Goods power was out, so we couldn't go to Home Goods. And IKEA's line wrapped around the whole building, so we decided to come to Target instead. We have to call the Home Goods that's like 20 minutes from here to see if they're open, so hopefully they're open. In the meantime, next up, Michael's. Pick up some more stuff for Sophie's classroom. So this is what happens when you don't have power for a week and then you come home and you go shopping and all that good jazz. Lord help me. So I did my hair and my makeup and Sophia's hair. Now we're going to get dressed. Then we're going to pick up my sister and head over to the birthday party and get it started. Hey, Mikhail! Your dinosaur toy! I gotta hit the button.
cards made out of? Paper. Now, so if there was fire and paper in my wallet at the same time, what would happen to the business cards? They would, hello, don't be silly. So he said, let me see the license registration. Ready. Do anybody else know another magic word? Right here. Abracadabra. Did you? If there was a bird in the bag, right? If I was to go like this, everybody would see that there's a bird in the bag. They never know. Well, me like that? You okay, my man? Yo. How old are you, my man? 14? Okay, you old, you teenager, okay? Act like you can be cool, okay? The girls don't like when you jump like that. You gotta be cool, right? Okay?
So we cleaned up the yard today. Let me tell you, it's been a long day. Because of the storm, the yard was in shambles, and it's finally clean. The pool vacuum is cleaning up all the leaves from the pool. And the debris is cleaned up. The leaves, the branches, the broken trees, everything is pretty much cleaned up. And now we're gonna go to dinner because I didn't have time to make anything. And I'm starving.
By the bay, where the watermelon grows, back to my home. I did not go, for if I do, my mother will say,
Did you ever see a cat wearing a hat?
down by the bay.
No, it wasn't. It was terrible. We didn't have power for 4 days, 5 days, 4.5 days. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 4.5 days. And wow, that's over with. Now I'm going to bed.